Hello, this is Norma and welcome to my channel. Today I'm making some fried rice. So I have some shrimp right here. I boiled it and I put this on it. Some lemon pepper seasoning. And I'm going to be using some beef that's chopped up. You can also use this for taco, but I'm using it. I was trying to find some smoked pork in the Asian market. They didn't have any, so I'm going to use this. I have some sausage right here. I have garlic clove, 5 pieces. I will be using some soy sauce. I have 4 eggs, 3 scallions. I have my onion right here. This one I'm going to use to fry my meats and stuff with it. I'm going to use some chicken Knorr seasoning, some sesame oil, some garlic powder, some onion powder. I'm going to use some canola oil. Yeah, I have mixed vegetables. And I have 8 cups of cold rice. I made it yesterday. I put it in my fridge because I wanted it cold to make my rice. My mixed vegetable is also frozen. So let me cut these up and I'll be right back. Okay, I cracked my egg. I got my beef, I did the sausage, the onion, everything is chopped up. So I'm going to put some lemon pepper in my egg. And I'm just going to whisk it a little bit. Just to break it up. Okay, that's fine. I'm going to put some lemon pepper in my beef. And then stir it up. I'm going to add a little bit of chicken Knorr seasoning to it. Some onion powder, next like half a teaspoon, some garlic powder, about another half a teaspoon, okay, set that aside. I'm also going to be using a wok today to fix my fried rice. So let's go to my stove. Okay, I have some oil in a separate pan and I'm just gonna put some of my onion that I have cut up in there just for a taste. And I'm gonna brown my sausage. That's the way I like to do mine. I was looking for beef sausage. They didn't have any. So this is turkey. It's healthier. And putting onions in the oil just make it taste better when you fry it. You can do it with fish, with chicken. So let that fry and I'll be back. Okay, I fried it on the other side and I'm taking it out. I'm going to add my shrimp and just brown it a little bit. If you fry it too long, it can get rubbery. So I have my stove on high, and I'm going to do it about 3 minutes, and then I'm going to take it out. Okay, and then take it out. Now I'm going to add the beef in there. And fry that a little bit. Okay, I wanted it to brown, and I've done that. I'm going to take it out, and then I'm going to take my wok, put it on the stove, put a tablespoon of oil in there, and I'm going to fry my egg with it. Okay, I put the oil, and I'm just going to put my egg in there. I'm going to cook it until it's not runny anymore, and then I'll take it out. Okay, it's time to come out. Okay, I took the eggs out, and I put another tablespoon, and I'm going to put my garlic, the white part of the scallions, my pepper, and my mixed vegetables. I'm going to stir it. I'm just going to stir it until it thaw out. Maybe that's going to be about 5 minutes. I'm adding a little bit of chicken Knorr seasoning. A little bit of onion powder. I've been frying it for 5 minutes. A little bit of garlic powder. That's maybe like half a teaspoon of each. I'm going to take it out. I'm going to put another tablespoon of oil in my wok, and then I'm going to put the rice in there, the cold rice. Okay, that's the last tablespoon of oil, and I'm going to dump my rice, and I have my stove on medium. Stir and break it up. I wanted oil to coat all my rice. I'm putting in 5 tablespoons of soy sauce. Put in some chicken or seasoning in my rice. I like the taste it gave. Maybe that was like a teaspoon. We want that to break up also. So the soy sauce is all on the rice. I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Now I'm going to add in my beef, my sausage, and my shrimp. Mix that in. I'm going to put my scallion in there, the green part. The mixed vegetables. Now I'm going to add my eggs. I've tasted it and it's perfect. I don't need any more salt because the soy sauce has salt in it. My shrimp fried rice is ready. Please subscribe to my channel. Help me to reach 10,000 subscribers this year. And please hit the notification button so each time I upload you will be notified. Also hit the thumbs up button so YouTube can push my videos. Thank you, and I'll see you the next time I upload. Bye bye.